Alright, so this is my morning routine. I'm getting ready to go to work, or am I really? See guys, the thing about it is that I'm actually injured, so I won't be going to work, but I will be supervising due to the fact that my elbow is injured. But that doesn't prevent me from actually posting all my content. Because see, a lot of people don't realize I spend about an hour every morning posting all my content. Either I'm working on my YouTube videos, my social media, or my Google My Business accounts. See guys, I've changed my morning habits into producing SEO for all my business. Usually it only takes me about 10 or 15 minutes to get dressed, and that's including kind of little grooming that I do, not much of it, but I mean I try to look decent for my customers. Today's a bit different, so I won't be wearing my JunkGuys shirt, and I won't be wearing my pants or any of my boots. Of course I gotta put on my shades, and last thing I do before I leave is always greet my dogs. They absolutely love me. Well, maybe they do. So one thing I do is leave with 3 cameras wherever I go. I always load up my cameras and check my schedule and be sure everything's right. You know, morning chores aren't out of the question, but either is eating a little breakfast, which I try to always get a snack here and there every once in a while. So am I disappointed that I'm not working today? Of course, I love working. I love actually going out there and physically doing the hard work that it takes to make money. But supervising is not that bad, so I'm gonna stop by all the jobs that I have today, and all the jobs that are going to be subcontracting, we'll take a look at them also. So our first job is in Fort Worth at a car dealership. I gotta call my guy Jamon Dupree from MJD Hauling and Transport. Of course, he's always on time. Then my guy Martin. Now Martin's just my recycler, so he's gonna pick up recycling for free. I'm not gonna pay him, and you know what? He'll make money on the other end. But of course, the one and only Anthony Jones from TNT Junk Removal. He's the second guy that shows up because of course I need 2 16-foot trailers to finish this job. What I'm gonna do is try to help out the guys while they do the real work.
I'm picking up pallets, cardboard, and some plastic boxes today. We are in Fort Worth.
I will tell you this, it was terribly hot out there while we're picking up all these pallets and wooden boxes that was located at the car dealership's dumpster enclosure near the back end of it. There was no problem for TNT and no problem for MJD. We got the job done in less than an hour.
TNT Junk Removal, out here with Ricardo from JFW, JunkGuys, came from Dallas. We're picking up a bunch of plywood and empty boxes.
JunkGuysdfw, how may I help you?
Yes, do you guys, I saw where you remove refrigerators for $45?
Yes, sir.
It's in my garage.
Okay.
To get it, just gotta watch out for my septic tank.
Your what?
My septic tank.
Oh, it's okay. So I have to drive around, and it's in the back, and watch out for you. Okay, no problem. Yeah, it's still.
Just look for the greener grass. That's where the septic tank is. It's in a round circle.
Okay, I mean, yeah, we could do that. It's just $45, man. It's a flat fee. We don't charge anything extra if that's cool with you. Is there any problems with it? I mean, there's no food in it or anything, right? Wait a minute. Wait. So this is in the basement now. The fridge is in the basement. In the backyard. Gotta watch out for the septic tank.
Right. How are you with animals? There's a raccoon inside the refrigerator. We trapped the raccoon in the refrigerator.
And I'm sorry. And how about all the food?
Oh, he's happy.
All right, so we're here in, actually we're in Lewisville, Texas, and we had a dumpster enclosure. Of course, another job that I had to subcontract with my boy, Jose. What's up, brother? Brother from a different mother. Last name's Hernandez. Last name is Hernandez. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, so tell me what's going on here, bro.
Taking out the extra trash from the dumpster area.
Yeah.
People overfill it. The dumpster companies don't come and pick up the dumpster, so I look out.
Right. Okay. And you got what? 2 guys up here. I got a big job. So this job, they called me out yesterday to come out here and give an estimate on this. I did. I got the job, handed it over to Jose, and then now we're cleaning it up. So I'm gonna help out like I always do. See, guys, this is one of those things that they can't handle sometimes, so they have to call me out to to pick up stuff. And what? What?
Little bucket in the truck.
Oh no, this in the truck? Yeah, I got it. Yeah. The thing about it is that you have to realize that when we're working, when I'm here, guys, things get done properly. Hey, yeah.
Get that mattress, bro.
Got it. I got it, bro. Here we go.
Mattress, bro. The mattress.
I got it, bro. Right here.
I don't even know why you showed up today, Ricardo. Yeah, I need Ricardo to go. Just taking up room, wasting my time. I don't even know why he bothered to come over here.
You know, I really think that the guys really appreciate me coming out to help out. I mean, I don't do much, but I do something that makes a difference. And I think you can tell that these guys were DTX junkaholics. They realize at the last moment that I'm doing some difference here at this job site. Yeah. Texas. No, we're in Frisco, Texas. And I'm just helping Jamon. I like to help out Jamon. He needs it in, loading up a lot of washers. And come on, I'll show you. Come over here. So I got a lot of washers. We got a lot of dryers. That's the thing. I come out. Listen, even though I'm injured, I'm still a lot of helpful because I can pull them out. You know, with one hand. Literally, pull it out like this. Help out Jamon load all that stuff. And like stuff like this. Just hand it out.
What are you doing, man?
Anyway, be working all the time for because of course my injury, but you know, helping out Jamon and stuff on a job like this is pretty cool experience. I know that I'm unable to do a lot of things with my injury, but listen, I do manage to help out, and sometimes it's kind of satisfying.
Look, I don't know why Ricardo's here. He's walking around doing more of this than actually handing me stuff, moving stuff. He's slowing me down. Slowing me down. I'm saying get this, he's saying huh? I'm saying grab that, he's saying what? It's a failure right now. So it's just me. Get him out of here, please. Please.
Turn that off, man. Turn it off. Turn it off. All right, so I'm at the last job today. It is a basketball goal. Okay, it's a basketball goal, and I have TNT junk removal rooms. There they are, right there. So I just showed up. There's what I pulled up in, and then couldn't find these guys because the basketball goal wasn't in the front yard. It was actually in the backyard. Well, even though I didn't work, the day turned out pretty good. The car dealership in Fort Worth was profitable. The dumpster enclosure in Lewisville was great. And even the apartments and the appliances in Frisco, Texas was a good job. Overall, this basketball goal was the smallest job of the whole day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, don't forget, if you like my video, subscribe to the right, and on the left, check out my other videos.
Do you dream of making more money with your business or creating a business that doesn't rely on you? You're gonna solve all of these problems and more at JunkCon 22. You're gonna gain something that's gonna make you thousands, hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars over the years to come. And as an exclusive deal for fans of Ricardo's content, you're going to be entered into a drawing to win a brand new Sawzall with a full set of Diablo Steel Demon Blades. Click the link in the description to get your tickets now. Y'all are crushing it out there, and Ricardo and myself look forward to seeing you at JunkCon 22.